How to create a science and educational toys e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, you just go with login and you type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, you click on next. And then you proceed to type in your password, and after typing your password you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. After typing the name, you click on continue, and then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you. Then you do the same again with this other question, and then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of science and educational toys, so I'm going to choose tech products. Also, so I'm just going to leave it at tech products. And if you can't find your category in this list, you just go with other, then you click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step, and then you proceed to your dashboard. So here, this is your dashboard, and you have the edit site button, as you can see, which take us to the editing phase. And also we have the design now button, and both of them take us to the editing phase. And in your left you have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you, starting with website, where you have the edit site button again, and also the domains button, where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you have the site items if you want to create new products or delete the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories if you want to create new categories. And then we have options, coupons, gift cards, and so on. And that's it for this section. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders to see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings and your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you have the site's traffic reports, the site's activity reports, and all of your reports. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you just click on summary. Then we have the marketing section, where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, from the email to automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And again, if you want to see the summary of all these tools, you just click on summary. Then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then last but not least, we have the settings, where you have the general settings if you want to change your company name, your email, your address, and your phone number. Then you have the checkout, and it's where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account. As you can see, you can connect them in here, and also you can change the country and the currency of your store. Then you have the sales taxes, where you can set your tax settings. And then we have the units, where you can change the language of the site, and also you can edit your units. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview, and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And it will take just less than 15 seconds to load. So here, just a second while we build your site. And here we have the setup guide, as you can see. If you want to go with it, if not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. Then we have the styles. If you want to change one of these styles, and if not, but we will need to anyways, so let's just choose one of these styles. This is our template, and let's check this one first to see if it fits the store. So now this one is not very good. I'm going to choose another one. Let's check this one, and this one also is not that good. Let's try this other one. So this one fits the store perfectly, so I'm going to choose this one. Click on apply site styles, and then you have the site's design, as you can see. And if you want to change the style again, and here if you want to add an image to be your logo, change colors, or if you want to change fonts, which I'm going to change, I'm going to choose Comforta, this one, and make this one 20 pixels like that, and make it 1.30 like this. That's good. Then I'm going to leave this one at 1% like that, and for the line height I will just leave it at 1.1. then click on done. After that I'm going to change the shape of the buttons to rounded, and for images also to rounded, and that's good. I'm done with the site's design. Click on done, and if you want to search for a domain name, you will just need to type the domain name in here and click on search. If not, just close this one, dismiss all, dismiss. And here if you want to add a new section, page, item or category, also here every section that you have in the site, you will just need to click on it and you will be able to edit it the way you want. If you want also to hide a section, or if you want to show it, if you want to change the placement of it, or also if you want to delete it. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.